So, but yeah, as you can see. Can you bring me that key that's on the ground, the black key? On the ground, black key on the ground.
The black key.
Haley, the black socket, yes, the black key. The black keys, yes. Take this back over there, take this back over there. Say the key, not the thing in it. Damn, lug must be getting stuck in here. Dumbass damn thing. What? Cause you wrote it down. This damn lug nut stuck in this fucking socket pissed me the fuck off. Now let's take the fronts over here. We got this one sitting up here, this rotiform. Just drop the cap down there. We took off the valve stem caps already. Gotta pop out stem caps. Now we're gonna take the air, blow this off, wipe this off, and sand it a little bit more in the spots that we didn't get, and then we're gonna spray these two. I gotta really just spray some awesome on these, and I just gotta wipe them down and mask them up and paint. Anyway, got this one wiped down, and then we just gotta spray and then mask, and we can get it good. This one, that process again, spray all that off. I already done sanded these, so that done is that. And the sun should dry these off pretty fast. Yeah, let's get that. Get these all wiped off. I ended the video. Whoa, that air compressor just scared the shit out of me. I'll get back when these are masked up. Then we can get the spraying. As you can see, we're going to really light to start off with. Super duper light. I will come back to y'all when I got a solid coat on both of them. This is with my rattle can in my hand. This was out of the spray gun. This is in my hand. As you can tell, there's a lot more, I guess, orange peel, as you can call it. There's a lot more of that. Like a significant amount. So I think those lighter coats with the paint gun is going to be better to this, so you can see different. How smooth that is, and how orange peely that is. The wash kind of land in my pen. You see? Get the fuck on, dude. Guys, here we are with the finished product. Clears on, paint's on, all four are done. They look really, really good. Look at that, man.